So, in my opinion,
Marks are.
marks are just so off. Skills matter more because with skill you can achieve anything. Like hard thing you can achieve very easily, but with marks you can get only respect and over. But with skills you can do anything, and if you don't have skills you can't talk to any
Foreigner.
foreigner. It takes English language to talk them, so that's why skills more matter.
My opinion, skills matter more because if you have skills, you can do anything. Marks doesn't matter many times because if you got first position in a
If you
class,
get
if you get first position in a class, many people will recognize you for more 1 week. But if you have skills, so every people know you perfectly for every time because they said he is very fluent in English. He know many things. He is a very good person in sports. But marks are for some time. And if you have skills, so you can achieve your aim because you are skilled in many fields. So in my opinion, skill is important.
In my opinion, skill is more important than marks because if you are a skillful person, so you can do everything and success in your life. If you don't have skill, so you cannot achieve anything. In the present era, skill is very important.
In my opinion, I am not supporting only a single thing because I think that both are important, skill or marks. Because as you know that there are a lot of, someone are good in singing or someone are good in dancing or someone are good in sports. So,
someone each.
someone is good in sports. So I think that there are a lot of player in our cricket team that are not pass out 12th.
Who have not, who have not passed,
Who have not passed 12th, and they are
but they are very successful in their fields.
yeah, but now they are very successful in their fields because they have their own skill and they are good in that skill. And as far as the thing is about marks, so I think that marks is also important because in this era everyone judge you by your marks or as in our CBSE result there are a lot of students that got 95%, 98%, or someone got 500 out of 500. So the children they are known for their marks because they got the best marks. So I think that both are important or both help us.
Opinion that skill are important comparing to the marks because if we take the example of two people, one person who has a high degree and has a good marks but he doesn't have any skill, and second person is not that much good at their marks, he or she does not have a good degree but he or and they have a good skill. If they go to our interview and the interviewer take their interview and the highly educated who has a good degree can show their degree but he don't have a skill that
He doesn't have.
he doesn't have a skill that how to face the situation, how to communicate, and he doesn't know how to speak. And in other hand, if we talk about that next person who is not that much good at study and have not that much good degree, but the interviewer will express by its skill, like its communication skill and other skills, so they can get selected on their interview. So skills are important than marks.
So, in my opinion, I think skills matter more because in this era, almost every people is literate and every people has
Every people, every person, everybody.
everybody is literate, and if many people have a lot of marks in their 10th, 12th, and they have a lot of degrees, but they are sitting at their home just because they doesn't have any kind of skills. Many people give brief to make the fake degrees. It doesn't mean that if you are making that fake degrees, so you become perfect in that particular field. You have skills, and if a person is making a fake degree of MBBS, so he is not a doctor, he can't able to treat you properly. And if you are, many people are running toward marks, But I think if you will run towards skills, so it will definitely enhance your marks also.
My opinion, skills are better than marks because marks don't matter that much. Just because of marks, we can't change our future. But in skills, we can do anything. Like if someone has a skill of English, then he or she can he or she can
Talk to anyone.
he or she can talk to anyone. So skills are better than marks.